Hey y'all, Lily here. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with y'all how I go about sublimating these air tags that I got from INNOSUB. Should you have any questions along the way, feel free to drop a comment down below and I will do my best to assist you in the best way possible. With that being said, let's get started. Alrighty, so here we have the air tag that I will be sublimating. This is very good quality. There is some thickness to it. I know some air tags that I've had in the past are like very thin, and when you press them, they kind of smush together. And this, what I would have to say, is a very good quality air tag. Comes with your little silver keychain. So let's go ahead and get sublimating. So I will be using butcher paper, the air tag, the sublimation paper by INNOSUB, and some heat transfer tape. So I'm going to start by removing the little keychain. We don't want to accidentally press that, so let's put that aside. Alrighty, they do have a PDF with all the sizings of their sublimation blank, so I just went ahead and downloaded that. So I'm going to go ahead and just apply the air tag to the sublimation paper. And once I have it lined up where I want it, I'm going to go ahead and just grab some heat transfer tape and tape it all down. I don't want it to have any wiggle room, just to prevent it creating any ghost marks of any kind. I'm just going to cover that up with a piece of butcher paper to protect my heat press. Turn that around so that way the design is facing up. So the instructions say to press it at about 350 degrees to 360 degrees Fahrenheit at light to medium pressure. So I went ahead and just adjusted my heat press according to that. And once the 60 seconds are up, I'm going to go ahead and just lift that up. It is pretty hot, so just be careful. If you have heat gloves, I would recommend putting them on just to remove it. But I didn't do that. And now here I am struggling, trying to remove the heat transfer tape while not burning myself. And I'm just going to do the exact same thing to the opposite side. Alrighty, and this is what it looks like. I love the way it came out. The colors are very vibrant, very bright, very beautiful. I will go ahead and leave the links in the description box below to everything I used in this video in case you want to pick anything up. I just want to thank everyone that is subscribing to my channel. I do appreciate it so much. If you ever have any questions at all, feel free to drop a comment down below and I will do my best to assist you in the best way possible. I do have TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter in case you'd like to follow me over there. I would greatly appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching and have a great one.